The main three uses for cardamom essential oil with doTERRA is aromatic, so breathing it in. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Cardamom Essential Oil. A close relative to ginger, cardamom is known as an expensive cooking spice and for being beneficial to the digestive system in a variety of ways. Cardamom is commonly used internally to help soothe occasional stomach discomfort. Its distinct scent can promote a positive mood as well. Ingested cardamom also has profound effects on the respiratory system due to its high 1,8 cineol content, which promotes clear breathing and respiratory health. Native to Southeast Asia, cardamom is added to traditional Indian sweets and teas for its cool minty aroma and flavor. doTERRA cardamom essential oil is extracted from the cardamom seeds grown in Guatemala using the strict CPTG or Certified Pure Therapeutic Grade essential oil testing standards. Through a collaborative and responsible sourcing arrangement, doTERRA is able to have a significant impact on the lives of local partners, ensuring that these farming communities enjoy improved livelihoods. The main three uses for cardamom essential oil with doTERRA is aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, and then internally. Cardamom's main benefits are that it eases indigestion and stomach discomfort, promotes clear breathing, and is a very flavorful spice. The directions for use are applying 1 to 2 drops with a fractionated coconut oil on your reflex points on the bottoms of your feet, or you can place it on your stomach. And then I also have the doTERRA fractionated coconut oil right here. And so this is a great carrier oil that you can use to spread out the concentration of the essential oil. Also, it helps the essential oil to absorb better into the skin and reduce the chance of irritation. You can also diffuse 3 to 5 drops of the cardamom in a 4-hour diffuser like the doTERRA pedal diffuser to support your respiratory system. And finally, you can substitute 1 drop of this cardamom oil per 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground cardamom in savory recipes. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.